Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's Vlogmas video, I'll be sharing with you the ultimate and the only holiday makeup look that you will need. I'm going to be focusing on the eyes mainly on today's tutorial. This is what my skin looks like before applying the eye makeup. So I'll be focusing on eye makeup and lips for this look. And I'm literally going in with the palette Velvet Rose. I'm using this dark brown color on my crease area, and I'm just gonna go in to really carve and smoke out that crease and add a little bit of definition. I'm really taking my time with my blending brush and just really going in nicely, smoothly, and getting rid of any harsh lines. As you can see, I'm only applying this into the crease area to start off the makeup look, just like so, and then we're going to move on to the other eye and do exactly the same. After, I'm going in with this deep brown and I'm going to start smoking out that crease area and adding a bit of a smoky effect. Actually, the first color that I applied, guys, was this burnt brownish color, and then I'm now going in with the smoky brown. Sorry about that confusion, but that's what I'm doing. So all I'm just doing is layering the eyeshadows so that they can really sit well and look really good. So you always want to start off with your transition color. If you guys do want to see how I apply eyeshadows and how to apply eyeshadows, please make sure to watch my eyeshadow tutorial where I talk step by step on how to do basic eyeshadow. So that's what I am currently doing, and I'm working that product into my other eye and just making sure that I get rid of any creases and any harsh. Next, we're moving on to aligning our eyeshadow, and I'm just using this fast stroke eyeliner from collection 2000. Really love this liner, super easy to use and perfect for beginners. So all I'm just doing is just adding a slight little wing cat eye effect to my eyes. Nothing too crazy, nothing too you know, thick, just a medium sized kind of like flick. That's all I'm just doing, following my lash line and filling that in ever so gently. And then literally I'm going to move on to my other eye and do the same thing again. Now moving on to our lashes, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Falsies volume mascara, and I really love this mascara. Adds volume and it literally makes your lashes have this like sudden lift, which I definitely needed. So I'm applying some lashes, so I'm applying some mascara, sorry, to my lashes, and really taking my time. I love the brush as well because they just really saturate into your real lashes really softly, and the brush is absolutely amazing. Then after that, we're going to focus on our bottom eye area. So I'm taking the same transition color that we used, that's that like burnt, like orangey brownish tone of eyeshadow, and then I'm literally just taking an angle brush and just moving that product into my waterline. I really like the effect of this, just makes my looks look uniformed, and also makes my eyes stand out a bit more. And then after that, I go on to applying eyelashes. I did my eyelashes off camera. Again, if you want to see a video of me applying my lashes, then definitely reference to my lashes videos. So I applied these lashes off camera. Then after that, I moved on to my lips. Firstly, I went in with the Revlon Hyper Lip Matte, and I will have to put the shade of this color. At first I used this for the base. I thought I was going to use it for my main color, but I didn't like the way it looked like. It was too kind of pinkish, and that's not the kind of a vibe that I was going for in this makeup look. So you'll literally see me going in afterwards with the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunna liquid lipstick, sorry, and that is the choice of color that I was going for. I was going more for a classic red, since it is the holidays. I really wanted to make sure that I incorporated, you know, a bit of that red vibe to this look, just to bring it out a bit more. So that's what I did, guys, and literally after this is the end of the makeup look. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, like I mentioned, it's super easy, super classical, and just screams holiday vibes. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow in another Vlogmas video. Take care and love you. Mwah.